Rosemont 2051 CD2A model, differential pressure, diaphragm seal, transmitter, calibration procedure. Capillary type, this is capillary type, diaphragm seal, flange size 2 inch 150, high side sensor, low side sensor. This is a gasket, 2 inch 150 gasket. Next we are installing the temporary flange. Next we are installing the bolt, stud tie bolt. Next we are tightening the bolt, cross it across. Next we are inserting the high side flange, same 2 inch 150, 2 inch 150 gasket and the temporary flange. Next we are inserting the stud. Next tighten the bolt. Tighten the bolt, cross it cross direction. Both flange high side and low side flange tightening completed. Next we are inserting the transmitter in the L clamp, transmitter L clamp. Tighten the bolt properly. DP type transmitter calibration and diaphragm seal and the capillary type transmitter calibration. Minimum required equipment: one pressure calibrator, reference multimeter, one field communicator 475, DC power supply 24 volt, 250 ohms resistance and a test lead set. Back cover, terminal cover. Open the terminal cover. This is the power supply terminal. Power supply positive line, negative line and test terminal positive. Next we are connecting the power supply. This is a positive line mark. We are connecting the positive terminal. Next this is a negative. We are connecting the negative terminal. Now transmitter is power on. Now display showing 250 model number and heart revision 5. SAT level is 21. Pressure is ISPV value. URV is 250. LRV is minus 250. Function linear function. Damping is 0.4. High alarm level 22.5. High SAT alarm 20.5. Low SAT alarm 3.8. Security is off condition. Unit is inches H2O. Transmitter high side, transmitter low side point. Next select the milliamps DC. Power on the multimeter. Select it to the DC. Now showing 12.012 milliamps DC. Next power on the field communicator. Select the heart interface module. Select it. Offline, online and the utility. We are selecting the online menu. Enter it. Online menu, overview, configuration and the service tools. First we are changing the instrument calibration range. Okay, first go into configuration area. We are selecting the manual setup, analog output. Okay, set to the range point. Range point actually setting the manufacturer set for lower range value minus 250, upper range value 250. If you modify the calibration range, first step is unit should be changed. Now configuration unit is showing inches H2O. Now we are changing it to mm H2O. Go into home menu. Okay, select the configuration menu and the graded setup and the basic setup. First we are changing for the measurement unit. Okay, select the measurement unit area and the pressure unit. We will change it to H2O. Okay, we are selecting the H2O and send the data to transmitter. Then OK. Automatic control, this is OK. Now transmitter display is showing H2O. Next we are selected the home menu and select the configuration and the grader setup and select the basic setup and select the analog output area, and first we are changing the LRV. Okay, 0 is LRV value, send it, then OK. Okay, the LRV in the 0 condition. Now current output current is showing 4.022 milliamps DC. Next we are changing for upper range value. Actually upper range value as per the data sheet 900 H2O. Enter, send it, then OK, then OK. Now output value also change 4.139 milliamps DC. Next select the home menu. Next we are doing for the display setting, configuration menu, graded setup and the configuration of display. We are enable the percentage of value. Actually level is showing for the percentage value. We are select it, then on, enter and send it. There is already transmitted transmitter. The transmitter showing the percentage value and H2O value. This is the percentage value. Select it to home menu. Okay. Next we are doing the service tools. Next doing for the DA trim. Select for the number 3, maintenance and analog calibration, number 2 and digital into analog trim. Okay, we are selecting one, then OK. Connect it to reference meter. Reference meter already connected. Then press OK. Set the field device output to 4 milliamps. Then OK. Now multimeter is showing 4.003 milliamps. We are entering the same value 4.003. Then press OK. Field device output 4 milliamps equal to reference meter. Now 4 milliamps equal to reference meter. Then press select yes and enter. Set the field device output to 20 milliamps. Okay, then press OK. Check the reference meter value. Reference meter value showing 20 is both are same. We have selected enter. Check the reference value equal to the reference meter. Now showing is the same. Then press yes and enter. Okay, return at automatic mode. Then OK. Now DA trim is completed. Go into the home menu. Next we are performing for the pressure calibration. Select the service tools and the maintenance and the pressure calibration menu. First we are doing for the lower sensor trim. If you doing the load sensor trimmer, high side, low side equal pressure is minimum required. We are connecting the tube from the high side and the low side. Pressure calibrated tube connected to one T joint. One tube is connected to low side, another tube connected to high side. Next, power on the calibrator. Close the valve. Valve is closed. Next, we are applying for static pressure both sensor, high side and low side. Pump the pressure. Is increase. Pressure almost reached 6,700 something. Display showing same error. Also showing the same milliamps DC. Doing for the load sensor trim, we are already applied the static pressure both sensor. Okay, select it do. Then press OK. Okay, selected the unit in the mmH2O. Applied the low pressure. That is also done. Select the next pressure is stable now. Okay, apply now is 0 value. Okay, remove the pressure from the unit. Now output is showing 3.999 and 4 milliamps. Display is showing 0 mmH2O and 0%. We are already applied the static pressure. Both sensor now we are applying the equal pressure. Output pressure is no variable. Applying the little bit pressure increase. Okay, now 9,000. No, you can check the display, no value change. Check the output, no changes. Now we are releasing the pressure. Okay, pressure is now released. Now we are remove the pressure from the unit. Now transmitter is showing the 0 value. Output also showing the 0 value. Okay, then press OK. Okay, loads trim is completed, successfully completed. Then press OK. Next we are doing the upper sensor trim. First we are removing the low side tube. Okay, low side tube we are removed. Next we are removing for the high side tube also. We are connecting the tube, pressure calibrated tube connected to the high side only. Low side tube already removed. Low side port is atmosphere open now. Next we are connecting the high side only. Okay, we are connecting the high side in the flange. Tube high side is connected. Next close the pressure calibrator vent port. Unit is mmH2O. Next we are applying the pressure. Now we are starting the pressure. Now milliamps also vary. Now display also variable. Now 35%, 348 mmH2O. Now also changed. Now 900 mmH2O almost reached. Now reference meter is showing error. Upper sensor trim. Select the upper sensor area. Then press OK. Select the unit, the mmH2O, enter. Apply the high pressure. Pressure already applied high pressure. Then press OK. Pressure is stable now. Then press OK. Select the maximum value 900. Then press OK. Now output is showing 20.003 milliamps. Maximum range is 900, 100%. Here applied value is showing 900 mmH2O. Now release the pressure from the unit. transmitter showing 0%, is showing 3.999. Next we are doing remove the pressure, already done. Then OK. Upper sensor trim completed. Then press OK. Go to home. Check the overview. This is the overview menu. This is a PV value is showing 0. Analog output is showing 3.999 milliamps. Upper range value is showing 900 mmHg. Lower range value is showing 0. Now transmitter calibration and configuration range changing is completed. Next we are checking the 5-point verification. Close the vent valve, pressure calibrator. Next we are applying the pressure. Now milliamps also vary. Now 222.5 mmHg almost reached and steady condition. Also showing 225 mmHg, 25.02%. Now output is showing 7.999 milliamps. Now 8 is reached. Next we are applying for the 50% of value. Now 450 almost reached. Display showing 50.02. Now output milliamps showing 12.001. Next we are moving into the 75% of value. Now almost reached 675 mmHg. Now 675 mmHg reached 75%. Now transmitter display showing 675 millibar. Percentage showing 74.96. Now transmitter output is showing 16.00 milliamps. Next we are moving into the 100% of value. Now full span range is reached 900 mmHg. Transmitter display showing 99.99%, 900 mmHg. Now transmitter is full range 20.003 milliamps. Next we are checking the down arrow falling condition. We are releasing the pressure slowly. Now falling value 675 almost reached. Transmitter display showing 675 mmHg, 75% also reached. Now output also showing 15.999. Next we are moving into the 450 mmHg. Now 450 almost reached. Transmitter display showing 450 mmHg, percentage 50.03%. Now output is showing 12.003 milliamps. Next we are moving into the 25% of value. Now 225 mmHg almost reached in the pressure calibrator. Now transmitter display showing 25%, 225 mmHg. Now transmitter output is showing 7.999. Now almost reached 8 milliamps. Next we are releasing the pressure from the pressure calibrator. Now 0 is reached pressure calibrator. Transmitter display showing percentage value of 0 and the mmHg also showing the 0. Now output value 4 milliamps reached in the multimeter. Now transmitter calibration, verification, configuration, all are completed. This is a normal scenario for capillary type LT calibration and functional test.